Linear equations in one variable, exercise 2.2. First question. If you subtract 1 by 2 from a number and multiply the result by half, then you get 1 by 8. What is the number? So first of all, we will suppose, let the number be x. So we are given, if you subtract half from a number, so if we subtract half from a number and multiply the result by half, and we multiply the result by half, then you get 1 by 8. Then what we get? 1 by 8. So this is according to the question. If you subtract half from a number and then multiply the result by half, and then we get 1 by 8. So this is the equation according to the condition. So next is, we have to solve it. So what we do, we will cross multiply 8 here. So here it will become 8 by 2 x minus half is equal to 1. Next step, it will become 4 x minus half is equal to 1. Now multiply 4 with both the numbers. It will become 4x minus 4 into half, it will become 2 is equal to 1, or 4x is equal to 1 plus 2. When we transpose minus 2 here, so it will become plus. That comes out to be 3. Now divide 3 by 4, so x will come out to be 3 by 4. So this is the given number that was about to ask. Next question is, the perimeter of a rectangular swimming pool is 154 meter. Its length is 2 meter more than twice its breadth. What are the length and the breadth of the pool? So first of all, they are given, the perimeter is given, its length is 2 meter more than twice its breadth. So first of all, we will suppose, let the breadth of pool be b. I am taking it to be b only. You can take x also. So what will be the length? The condition is given, its length is 2 meter more than twice its breadth. Twice its breadth and 2 meter more. What are the length and breadth of the pool? Now we know, according to the question, we are given here, the perimeter is given. So what is the perimeter? Perimeter of rectangular pool will be 2 times length plus breadth. Now we will fill the values here. 154 is equal to twice 2b plus 2 plus b. Now we will solve it out. It comes out to be 4b plus 4 plus 2b. Add it up. Now let us transpose 4 to left side. It will become 154 minus 4 is equal to 6b, or 150 is equal to 6b. Now we will divide both sides by 6. It comes out to be 150 by 6 is equal to b, or b is equal to, when we will divide it, it comes out to be 25. So the units were given meters, so b comes out to be, the breadth comes out to be 25 meter. So what will be the length here? So length will be 2 into 25 plus 2. 2 25s are 50. 50 plus 2 is 52 meter. So this is the length of the pool. Next is, the base of an isosceles triangle is 4 by 3. Perimeter of the triangle is given 4 and 2 by 15 centimeter. What is the length of either of remaining equal sides? We know isosceles triangle. In isosceles triangle, these two sides are equal, and this is the third side, the base. Base is given, that is 4 by 3. Perimeter is given, so we have to find out the length of the either of remaining equal sides. So let, first of all, we will suppose length of either of remaining equal sides be, let us take it to be x here. So what will be the perimeter of triangle? Perimeter of triangle will be x plus 4 by 3 centimeter. Now perimeter is given, that is 4 and 2 by 15 is equal to 2x plus 4 by 3. So let us make it a improper fraction. 15 4s are 60, 60 plus 2, that is 62 by 15 is equal to 2x plus 4 by 3. So let us transpose the number here. So it can be written as 2x is equal to 62 by 15 minus 4 by 3. When we transpose 4 by 3 to the left side, it comes out to be negative. Now take the LCM. LCM will come out to be 15. So here it comes 62 minus 20. I know everybody knows how to take the LCM. Now divide it on the table of 3. You can divide it. It comes out to be 14 by 5. So let us divide it by 2 also. 2 7s are 14. It comes out to be 7 by 5 centimeter, or you can change it into the mixed fraction, 1 and 2 by 5 centimeter. So this will be your full-fledged answer. The value of either side of remaining equal sides will be 1 and 2 by 5 centimeter. Next is sum of two numbers is given 95. If one exceeds the other by 15, then find the numbers. So there are two numbers. So let us suppose first number to be x. Let one number be x. So if one exceeds the other by 15, so if one is x, other will be x plus 15. Their sum is given, find the numbers. So according to the question, sum is given, x plus 15 is 95. It is very easy to solve. So it comes out to be 2x plus 15 is equal to 95. So 2x is equal to 95 minus 15. We will just transpose plus 15 to right side. It comes out to be negative. So 2x will be 80, and afterwards you will divide right side by 2. So it comes out to be 40. So first number will be 40 and the other will be x plus 15, that is 40 plus 15, that is 55. Next question is, two numbers are in the ratio 5:3. If they differ by 18, what are the numbers? So two numbers, they are given in the ratio. So let the multiplier be x. So if the multiplier be x, then the numbers will be, so the numbers are 5x and 3x. Now according to the question, it is given that they differ by 18. So 5x minus 3x is equal to 18. Now we will solve it out. It comes out to be 2x is equal to 18. So x will be 18 by 2, that is 9. So what are the numbers? 5 into 9, 45. And second number will be 3 into 9, 27. So these are the numbers. I hope you understand it. Thank you.